Again, Bunky, I appreciate you giving me a ride on your Nissan 370 Z Nismo today. I really appreciate it. And again, you have a nice example right here. Such a beautiful car. And again, I know the Japanese market, you know, for a long time, they had Z car. You know, this basically over there, this is their Corvette. Well, affordable and priced well for what it is.
Yes. For
anybody to attain.
Right. It's since 1969, the Z has been known as the Japanese muscle car. Value for the dollar. You get performance, looks at an affordable price.
Absolutely. And I love all the generations. And I know they got the current Z car now, which I like as well. But not gonna lie, it's up there in the price now.
Yeah, they're asking $20,000 over.
Yes.
And a Z, I love my Z, but they're not a $70,000 car. They're more of a $50,000 car. And for 50, that market would be perfect.
Yeah, absolutely.
These, like in 2016, they produced around 6,000 of these. Of Nismos are probably only about 1,000 for that model year. Yeah. So they're fairly a rare car.
Yep, you're right. And I don't, besides, only person I know around here with a Nismos, especially in this color, is you. I don't know no one in town with one. And you're right, the rarity of them.
They're very rare cars, and like I say, the production numbers, they were tracking them up to about 2014 of only 1,000 units for the Nismo.
Oh wow!
They've increased it to probably maybe 20%. So you're only still looking at about 1,500 Nismos produced per year.
Okay, cool, cool. And then the way you got this exhaust set up, it sounds so good.
Yeah, I love it. The high performance exhaust really helps the car. It really gets to pick up. You know, it's got about 375 horsepower.
Yeah.
But it's geared right to still have fun on the street.
It's perfect for what you're using it for.
What I use it for.
Oh my goodness, it sounds so good. That's how you know this right here is a signature staple of a Z car from Nissan. This is it. That's that sound right there.
Yeah, that's the sound you want to hear. The V6 has a great sound, and once you put the right exhaust system on.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Bunky, once again, man, I greatly appreciate you giving me a
Anytime,
ride
you know
along
that.
of your 370Z today.
Always,
Thank you
brother.
so much.
Anytime.
Hey, I enjoyed the experience of it. Just even you don't even have to get on it, you just cruising around. But for a sports car, it's a nice handling car, and it's a big bang for your buck, man. It don't get no better than that. For a JDM, this is it. And I'll be honest with you, I'd rather have this over a GTR. That's just my personal opinion, but I like this because it's more fun.
It's more fun.
It's a driver's car.
It's a driver's car.
Absolutely. But all right, everybody, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.